then it will be dead.
Oh my! Oh yuck!
Oh, what the?
Oh, what the
there it
hell?
is.
Oh,
See,
that
there's
is
the net.
feral.
Right,
That's
you thought
disgusting.
they were cute.
Dude, it
Oh,
caught a
poor
bird.
parrot.
It caught a parrot.
It's dead.
No, it's still alive. Look at his wings flap.
Just because it's alive. it
Oh,
won't
I
be
lost-
long.
Shut up, Philip. We're watching. It's still alive. What the fuck?
Oh, wait, someone film this.
Dude, look at the pan. That's. Oh, dude, that's fucked.
Alan, this is more high definition.
What are you doing? Stop eating it.
Well, what else are they gonna do with it?
Throw it
That's
away.
the only reason
feral.
they kill it, to eat it. Yeah.
Oh, I
Bloody
feel so.
fun.
Oh,
Still a bloody life.
oh man, this is disgusting. What about all the little kids who come past here?
That's awesome.
They will learn the truth about nature. It's not cute animals. It's other animals eating each other violently.
Oh no! He's gonna eat of it. Oh.
Can we tell the keeper? Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, don't tell anyone.
Let him eat it. It's funny.
Oh, they're gonna be funny.
Do you reckon it's dead?
This is funny. This is disgusting. I feel sorry for that bird.
Wow.
Really?
Still alive. Is it not?
Not alive.
Yes, it is.
Alive
It'd
after that.
it'd be its nerve. Oh,
It's
no.
dead.
Oh yeah,
That's
its mouth's
alive.
moving. It's still
They
alive.
broke its neck earlier.
That's not alive.
It's alive. You
It's
can see its
alive.
mouth moving.
It's paralyzed because they've broken its neck.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, sorry, it's
That's
put out of its
disgusting.
misery.
They're going to try and get to the organs soon.
Yeah.
Still trying to
Tell
kill it.
it. We should tell it.
Yeah, tell the people.
Yeah.
That's probably parrot from the parrot
Now
enclosure.
it's cleaning the feathers out of it.
Oh, it's just
No.
body.
Oh, he just broke its. Oh crap. That is festy.
It's like get the feathers out of its mouth.
Oh, open
Wait,
that.
does anyone have the
Sure,
time?
have a drink.
No, leave it. Oh, don't. Can't zoom in.
Oh, I was trying to bury it.
No, it's.
I don't know what it's doing.
You guys are saying it's so foul and you're videoing it?